Welcome back to Software Hub. When you install a new Windows, drivers are missing and downloading them takes a lot of time, especially without internet. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to back up all your drivers and install them anytime offline. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Let's get started. When we install a new Windows, it doesn't come with all the required drivers pre-installed. We have to download them from the internet, which can take a lot of time. But what if we don't have an internet connection? Let me show you how you can create a backup of all your drivers. So when you install a new Windows, you can install all drivers at once without needing an internet connection. First, insert any USB device. If you don't have a USB, you can also use any drive on your PC. Now open command prompt as administrator. I will provide this command in the description. Simply copy and paste it into CMD. Now open the drive where you want to save all the drivers. Create a new folder and name it something like drivers, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, copy the path of this folder. Now replace the path in the command with your folder path, just like I did in the example. After that, press enter. Now it will start collecting all the drivers from your PC. Don't worry, this process may take some time depending on your system speed. Once it's complete, navigate to the folder where you saved all the drivers. As you can see, all your drivers are successfully backed up here. Now let's say I have installed a new Windows without Wi-Fi or internet access. To install the drivers, simply right-click on the Windows icon and open Device Manager. From here, right-click on your PC name, username at the top, and click Add Drivers. Now select the folder where we saved the driver backup. It will start installing all the drivers automatically. This is a completely offline installation process, so it may take some time. Just be patient while it installs everything. Once the installation is complete, simply restart your PC once and all drivers will be properly applied. And that's how you can easily create a driver backup on Windows and install it anytime without needing the internet. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.